Wonder of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's new ship, the largest cruise ship in the world. We are here. It's day 2 of our cruise. We are going to show you the exclusive suite neighborhood. It is awesome. Come with us and see what we have to show you. Remember, like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. We appreciate the support. Here we go. Enjoy the ride.
Alright, so this is the entrance to the suite neighborhood and the suite area if you're coming by the steps or the stairs, I meant to say. Beautiful art displays on the wall, very elegant. It is like you're walking into a hotel. So over here, that's the Royal Suite. It has an entrance just basically by itself. And then this is the entrance to Coastal Kitchen.
Okay, so we just came in the main entrance to the suite neighborhood. We're going to be going down to look at the sun deck and the pool area. Notice the artwork on the walls. Very private area. Here at the entrance to the suite sun deck. It has the bar, the pool, private, exclusive area, Wonder of the Seas. Okay, today we're here on Wonder of the Seas Suite Neighborhood, the exclusive sun deck, lounge, and pool area. It's on the top tier of the largest cruise ship in the world, Wonder of the Seas. Take a look around. Let's see what we have to see. Okay, so we're taking a look around the suite deck lounge, the exclusive area on Wonder of the Seas. Look at you walk in, you're greeted with these awesome cabanas. Look at these. These are awesome. And the view, amazing. Overlooking the rec area and also the main promenade. The golf course there, the miniature golf course, and the zip line. Over the back of the ship. Look at that view. It's a beautiful day. So this area on Wonder of the Seas has a lot of little seating areas, as you can see. You can have drinks, lunch up here, We have a full bar, sunbathing chairs, as well as couches and lounge chairs, as well as these really cool wicker cabanas. Plenty of these around so that everybody can have a turn. This is the pool area. They have like a jacuzzi, a heated little jacuzzi pool. And then down here is a little water sun deck area. It has about a foot of water in it. You can just sit here in the little chairs, literally overlooking the water on the back of a boat. It's amazing. You like it?
I love it!
Very good, girl.